Think of finding your dream home like tackling a fixer-upper. With a little planning, patience, and maybe a touch of that southern charm, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So grab a big glass of sweet tea, pull up a chair, get comfy, and let's dive into the simple steps to make your home buying journey enjoyable and rewarding. Before jumping into house hunting, let's get organized. Building a solid plan is the first step to a stress-free journey toward home ownership. Just like any renovation project, buying a home starts with a good plan. Grab your notepad and start jotting down your must-haves, your maybes, and your deal breakers. What are those non-negotiables for your family? A big backyard for your dog Rover and the kids? Or maybe a cozy fireplace to snuggle up by on a cold winter night with the one you love? Take some time and write it all down. Are you hoping to move in within a few months, or are you willing to take your time? Having a clear time frame will help you stay focused and make decisions with confidence. So grab that glass of sweet tea, and let's map out your dream home journey together. First things first, let's talk about budget. It's crucial to figure out what you can afford. Consider getting pre-approved by a lender. Pre-approval is a game changer, giving you a clear understanding of how much house you can afford. Sit down and take a good look at your finances. What are your monthly expenses? How much can you comfortably put towards a mortgage each month? Getting pre-approved by a lender is like having a blueprint for your finances. Remember, finding your dream home isn't about stretching your budget to the limit. It's about finding a place that brings you joy without breaking the bank. So let's crunch those numbers and set a budget that gives you peace of mind. Next, think about where you want to live. Choosing the right location is a big deal. Imagine waking up in your dream home, sunlight streaming through the windows. But where is that home located? Think about your daily commute. Do you want to be close to work or school? Or are you okay with a bit of a drive? What about your family's needs? Are parks, libraries, and community centers important to you? Finding the right location is about creating a lifestyle that brings you joy. Chapter 4. Explore neighborhood considerations. When you're exploring neighborhoods, go beyond location alone. Think about daily convenience for each family member. Are there parks nearby? Good schools? Easy access to grocery stores or restaurants? Take a drive through potential neighborhoods and really soak in the atmosphere. Does it feel welcoming, safe? Remember, finding the right home isn't just about the house itself. It's about finding a community where you can truly plant your roots. Chapter 5. Plan for the future. As you embark on this journey, consider your long-term plans. Will this home still work for you in 5, 10, or 15 years? Buying a home is an investment, not just financially, but emotionally. You're choosing a place to build your life, to create memories, and to grow. It's about finding a home that can evolve with you, a place that feels just as right down the road as it does today. Chapter 6. Stay informed. Finally, stay informed about the market. Keep an eye on interest rates, home prices, and changes in your own finances. Just like staying up to date on the latest design trends, keeping yourself informed about the housing market is key. Stay connected with your realtor, browse online listings, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about the market, the more confident you'll feel throughout the entire process. Outro: unlock your dream home. In the end, buying a home isn't just a transaction. It's a step toward your dreams. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a positive, stress-free experience that'll lead you to the perfect place to call home. So, are you ready to unlock the door to your new chapter? If you have any questions about buying or selling a home, reach out to your local real estate professional, Aaron Boone, today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on buying or selling a home. And don't forget, there's only one thing you need to know when it comes to buying or selling a home: AaronBsells.com.